The GRAETZ GammaTest F is a compact dose rate alarm device specifically designed for safe and straightforward operation. It is ideal for wearing on the body thanks to its lightweight design and intuitive functionality. Operation is extremely simple. Open the battery compartment, insert 2 batteries with the correct polarity, and secure the compartment using the closure screw. Switch the device to measurement mode using the rotary switch. Once activated, the single pulse indicator lights up with each detected radiation pulse from the environment. The blinking frequency increases as you approach a radiation source. When the fixed threshold of 25 microsieverts per hour is reached, the device triggers an alarm. This alarm is both visual and acoustic, reliably signaling the threshold has been exceeded. The test mode allows users to demonstrate the alarm function. When this mode is activated, the warning light remains on continuously and a buzzer sounds. However, no ionizing radiation is measured during test mode. The GammaTest F features a practical clip for secure attachment to clothing, making it convenient for on-body use. With its compact size and user-friendly design, it is a versatile tool that enables quick and reliable hazard zone delineation in compliance with Firefighting Service Regulation 500.